Hello everybody. This video tells you about resetting Windows 10, which means you restore its default settings. In fact, this is the same as reinstalling Windows, but without using additional drives. All you need is a system recovery image, and it is already in your system. If you can start Windows 10 and you can log into the system, but it just began working in the wrong way, you can do the following. Go to the Settings menu, select Update and Security, switch to Recovery, and reset this PC. Click on Get Started. You can choose between the options Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you use the first one, Keep My Files, the system will keep documents and other user files. However, all applications will be deleted and you will have to reinstall them. But if you go for Remove Everything, the system will ask you if you want to remove all drives or only the drive where Windows is installed, in case you have several drives in your system. In the next window, you can choose between Just Remove My Files or Remove Files and Clean the Drive. If you are the only person using this computer, you'd better choose Just Remove My Files. The second option suggests cleaning the drive in such a way that files cannot be recovered. This way is safer if there are other people who use this computer, but it also takes more time. Now let us select one of the options, for example, Just Remove My Files. The only thing left to do now is to click on Reset and wait for the system to reinstall automatically. So this is the button. In the process, the computer will restart several times,